Space may seem like the final frontier, but innovations in astronaut, nutrition, and food technology are already shaping life here on Earth in remarkable ways. Welcome back to Fuel for the Final Frontier. In this episode, we'll explore how space food research benefits a variety of Earth based applications, from disaster relief to military rations to sustainable agriculture and healthcare. Firstly, we look at the role space food plays here on Earth's front lines. One of the most direct ways space food technologies makes an impact is in emergency and military food supplies. For years, NASA's development of long-lasting, nutrition-dense meals that withstand extreme conditions has inspired the creation of ready-to-eat meals for soldiers and disaster victims. These meals share many of the same characteristics as astronaut rations. They're lightweight, they have long shelf lives, and they provide balanced nutrition under challenging logistics. Innovations such as freeze drying, thermostabilization, and irradiation were refined for space, but are now delivering critical life-saving nutrition right here on Earth in emergencies. Apart from emergencies, development in space food has also led to impact in nutritional plans implemented here in hospitals. Two, their precise nutritional formulations developed for and implemented in space food also inform hospital diets for patients with specific needs. Patients recovering from surgery, illness, or prolonged bed rest have nutritional requirements similar to astronauts returning from space. High protein, essential vitamins, and easy to digest meals. Space food technology helps create this nutrition dense, shelf stable, clinical food supply that supports healing and immune function, delivered in controlled, medically tailored proportions. Advances in sustainable food production pioneered in space may also lead innovations right here on Earth. Astronauts need food systems that are not only nutritious but sustainable within tight parameters, limited water, soil, and space. This challenge parallels problems faced right here on Earth, such as growing food in arid conditions, urban environments, or disaster zones. Research conducted aboard the International Space Station demonstrates how hydroponics, vertical farming, and closed-loop agriculture can operate efficiently. For example, the ISS's veggie plant growth system experiments showed that fresh lettuce and mustard greens can thrive in microgravity, paving the way for soil-less farming worldwide. These innovations promise to reduce water and land use, making food production most sustainable across the planet. Not to mention, space food scientists are pioneering the use of 3D printing to create customizable, nutritious meals from basic ingredients. This technology offers the potential to produce fresh feeding tailored foods on demand, reducing waste and transportation. On Earth, 3D food printing could revolutionize how we feed remote populations, elderly individuals with dietary needs, and even reduce environmental impacts from traditional agriculture. There are also developments in recycling nutrients with microbial technology. One fascinating avenue explored for long duration meals is converting waste like carbon dioxide or human urine into edible nutrients via special microbes. Developments in using bacteria to produce proteins or vitamins from waste materials open exciting possibilities for sustainable food cycles on Earth, reducing dependence on traditional farming and livestock. Such microbial nutrition production could help address global food warming security and environmental challenges. We'll also be looking at the innovations in food preservation and packaging due to NASA's food preservation methods, which enhance shelf life without sacrificing safety or nutrition. Techniques like microwave sterilization and advanced packaging materials initially developed for space are now improving food storage and reducing spoilage in retail and food delivery systems on Earth. More efficient packaging also means less food waste and lower emissions, helping both supply chains and the environment. Findings from spaceflight missions also inform us about maintaining healthy diets here. Spaceflight research on nutrient degradation Micronutrient supplementation and antioxidant use informs our nutrition of human informs our understanding of human health here on Earth. For example, how antioxidants combat oxidative stress in astronauts provides insights into aging, chronic diseases, and recovery from trauma. These findings contribute to better dietary guidelines and supplements to improve health outcomes globally. Some of the space inspired innovations for Earth's challenges include supporting disaster relief with more stable, nutrient rich emergency rations, improving patient nutrition in hospitals and care centers with science backed formulations, uh, advancing urban farming and sustainability through closed loop systems, introducing cutting edge food production techniques like 3D printing and microbial protein synthesis, as well as enhancing food preservation to reduce waste and improve supply chain resilience. The journey of food uh, from Earth to space and back, again, has accelerated solutions for feeding a growing population within environmental constraints. Looking at it from a global perspective, Looking at it from a global perspective, as space agencies collaborate internationally, the technologies and knowledge gained translate into worldwide benefits. Projects such as the Artemis program explore sustainable food production on lunar bases with clear applications for Earth's future food systems. Space nutrition teaches us not only how to survive in the most extreme climate environments, but also how to build resilient, efficient, and healthy food systems for all. These advancements underscore the profound impact of space exploration on our daily life, as well as hint at an exciting future where feeding humanity sustainably draws draws inspiration from the final frontier. Looking ahead, in our final episode, we'll explore the cutting edge innovations shaping the future of space nutrition, 3D printed meals, sustainable farming in microgravity, and how these advancements could revolutionize not just space travel but food systems here on Earth. If you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, or sharing it with a friend. It really helps the channel out. Thank you for watching.